Welcome to another Teamflect tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over how succession planning works in Teamflect. Succession planning is a strategic process through which organizations secure their leadership pipeline. Leaders create a succession plan and determine which employees will be taking their place if they leave their current role or the organization itself. Teamflect admins can notify managers to create a succession plan. Once a manager receives this notification, all they need to do is click this button. Succession plans in Teamflect are made up of these 4 sections, and the first section is Role Summary. This section serves as an extended summary with details about the role, such as key responsibilities and required competencies. The next step is to select potential successors. Leaders can pick potential successors manually or choose based on the suggestions made by Teamflect. These suggestions include direct reports as well as employees who have this role in their career path. Once potential successors are selected, it is time to evaluate them. Let's evaluate Adele as a potential successor together. We can select her readiness level and say she'll be ready in 6 months. Then we can rate her competencies, as well as leave a comment about her. And if we choose to, we can enhance this comment with AI. Now we can go through the same process with Grady, selecting a readiness level for him, and rating his competencies. We also have the option to mark a candidate as preferred. This is for emergency scenarios where we need an immediate successor to take our place. Once we hit create, our succession plan is ready. When someone completes their succession plan, their manager will receive the following notification. Let's go inside it as the manager now. Here's the plan we just made together. Now, from this person's manager's perspective, we can go over the succession plan and leave comments. We can then approve or reject the succession plan. Succession plans can also be viewed from inside employee profiles. If we go into Miriam's profile, we can scroll down and view the succession plan. And of course, succession plans can only be viewed by admins and people managers. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.
Teamflect. Build teams that deliver.